So it's Sunday here in Massachusetts, and probably wherever you are too. And FedEx just dropped off my Dobinson Springs. These are fresh out of Australia. I've been waiting for these for weeks. I'm running Dobinson C59 749Vs currently, and I actually had to add airbags. But sadly, the people that installed the airbags did them improperly, so they both burst. So I planned on installing these bad boys in there. But now that I've got these 849Vs for a 3-inch lift, extra heavy, I'm going to put these in without. These are a full millimeter thicker than the 749s that I currently have. So I took all the measurements. I'll let you know when they go in the truck mañana.